The Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Associate Cloud Engineer certification is designed for individuals who have the necessary skills to deploy applications, monitor operations, and manage enterprise solutions on Google Cloud. Please note that certification details, including exam content and requirements, may have been updated since then. Always refer to the official Google Cloud certification documentation for the latest information.
Exam Overview. The Associate Cloud Engineer exam assesses your ability to deploy applications, monitor operations, and maintain cloud projects on Google Cloud Platform.
Some important keys and topics we will cover through this playlist. Setting up a cloud solution environment. Planning and configuring a cloud solution. Deploying and implementing a cloud solution. Ensuring successful operation of a cloud solution. Configuring